But first, a new technology could cut back on those irritating road projects and all the annoying cones. Southern Nevada is literally paving a new way. Welcome back. I'm Ross Becker.
And I'm Kathy Ray. Starting today, Valley Road crews are trying out a new high-tech concrete here. News 13's Dave Malkoff is live at one road construction site. Dave, tell us, how does this work?
Well, it works by cutting down the amount of times they have to do this. Tear up the road and put up all those orange cones and sometimes confusing signs. You can see someone was confused by this sign that points in both directions at the same time. Well, what they're doing right here is they're laying a new level of road here, and they have to do this every 3 to 4 years, but now there's a way to make the roads last longer. Now, if you've been down Craig Road, you've seen the mess, heard the warning.
Don't come Craig way. Don't come down this way.
If you do, you'll be dodging the orange cones.
Simplest way to do it is shut the road down and build it, but we can't do that.
But it's nothing I can do.
But there's got to be a better way.
It's something new.
Something that pours like blacktop, squishes down like blacktop.
This is the first time.
But then this guy sprays it all white. There's a good reason why they make it all white.
I really don't know what is he doing. Just
Because it's concrete and the color is white. And that's juxtaposed against asphalt, which is commonly referred to as blacktop.
The problem is, after about 3 to 5 years, the blacktop is so cracked, crews need to remove the entire 5-inch layer.
Then the cycle happens again. 3 to 5 years later, they have to put 3 to 5 more inches on.
And I don't think it's every 3 years. It seems like every couple of months.
We see how it works.
Secrets in the mix.
These are essentially fiberglass, polypropylene, little hairs throughout it. Ultra-thin white topping.
Making it much stronger, about 15% more expensive to pour, but it cuts down on constant maintenance.
This concrete will be competent for 15 to 20 years.
Be a lot less hassles.
A lot less tearing up the road, a lot more getting where you need to be. This stuff will definitely save taxpayer money, and it will save you headaches. This is something that is brand new here in Southern Nevada. The layer that they poured down in Henderson is the first ever in the area.
Well, that's pretty exciting, Dave, but this is not the first time it's been used in the country.
No, not in the country, but it's first here in Southern Nevada. They've actually had about a 20-year track record back east where they've been using this for a long time, and it really is saving a lot of money and headaches.
Anything for fewer road projects.
Definitely.
All righty, Dave Malkoff reporting live.